Hey girl, it's Sharrita, and today I'm breaking down how I make a daily income with digital products, like in a way that feels peaceful, aligned, and very simple. Okay, I'm not talking any complicated funnels. I don't do complicated in my business, but I love the soft way. Okay, the grown woman way, the way I want to make income that fits my life way. Okay. So if you've been wanting daily sales without feeling overwhelmed, I want you to go get your notebook, your pen, and your favorite beverage, of course, and let's get into it in today's video. Digital products change everything for me because they let me create once, sell forever, reach people globally, and make money even when I'm offline. Like there's absolutely no shipping fees, no inventory, no fulfillment, no like I have to be glued to my phone. It's truly a passive income stream. It could be peaceful, quiet income. It's the income that really respects your time. And when you choose the right type of digital products, like daily income just becomes normal. Now, I'm not talking about luck, but I'm really talking about strategy as well. Here are the exact products that I sell that bring me in daily money. Okay. First one is templates. Okay. I'm talking about checklists, planners, journals, like social media templates. Women love shortcuts. I know I do. Okay. The second one are mini courses. Now, these are short, very digestible trainings on skills that people want to actually learn quickly. Okay. My favorite is PLR, like I also call it done for you digital products. Now, these are done for you assets that I purchase. I add my branding to it, add my name, I customize them. But not only that, with some of my digital products, I give women the opportunity to resell what they have bought from me, if that makes sense. Okay. So I really love that because not only am I giving you an asset that you can learn from, right? But you could also earn from it. So you can turn around and take the same product that I sold to you, and I'm giving you a license. So you may see the word like master resale rights license. I'm giving you that license. And all of my digital products that I do this for, I put, the licenses included. So you get that opportunity. Not all of my digital products, but most of them, you get that opportunity that you can resell as well. So that's what I really love about that type of digital product, because I'm giving you not only a chance to learn from it, but also to earn from it too. Now, my next one that I love is, and that I really sell really well, is e-guides and how-to manuals. Clear steps. I'm a clear step, straightforward instructions type of girl. Like these always sell, especially for people that want to learn something, right? And then you can't forget about bundles, right? You can product stack with a theme, right? So you can expand your value without the extra work. So you just colliding different products together that will go well together. So each one supports my daily income. All of these ones I create, I really like them because they're simple, evergreen, and they're really low pressure to buy. And when I say daily income doesn't come from luck. It comes from strategy. It comes from these five things. Number one, I solve real problems. So every single product that I have meets a need that the women in my community actually, they have the need, right? The second one is I keep my pricing accessible. That's for me and my brand. Everybody is different. So like I usually price mine at a low ticket and mid ticket products. Those move for me daily. Three, my products are very simple. No overwhelming, no long videos, no confusion, just a whole lot of clarity. Okay. Number four, I also sell in a soft, non-pushy way because you got to put your products out there if you want buyers. So your content sells for you when you show not just your lifestyle, but how you are using the product, how it helps you. Not just selling it because ChatGPT, outlined it for you. But like really being a living testimony of what you are selling. Like one of the products that I'm creating at this very moment. If I'm gonna go to my computer right now, like in real time. I'm creating a e-guide on how to write short books. I call them mini her books and make daily money. That's something that I know how to do and I've been doing for years. So I'm taking I broke it down in steps because that's what I know how to do. I have short books that I sell, and I have the proof of that. So I'm writing a guide that I'm going to put in my shop very, very soon. So stay tuned for that, and you'll be able to grab that. And I map out everything along with some resources too. Next thing, I build trust through consistency. Yeah, so I show up and bring daily income, daily value. I want to get paid daily, so I show up daily. Not being perfect, but I show up daily. I want to get paid every day. So I'm going to make content every day. Okay. So here is the part that like most incomes show up every day type of system. This is the system that I use in my business, right? So I create one piece of content a day. It can be a long form video, short form video, nothing complicated, nothing fancy, just a simple piece of value that leads back to my product. Okay. Number two, I link it everywhere. Okay. My shop link is in my description. You will find it there. It's probably in my YouTube. I put it in my community tab when I write posts. I have a Substack, my newsletter, Pinterest. Okay. I have it in my TikTok bio, Facebook bio, because I use like a link in bio type of thing, my email signature. Like people can buy from wherever they find me. Okay. Also, email. I email weekly. I used to email daily. I email weekly. So email really does sell. Sometimes better than social media. So every email creates another chance for daily income. And then four is my secret weapon is Pinterest pins from old products. So Pinterest brings in that passive traffic, and passive traffic brings in passive sales. And also I teach one thing, sell one thing. And that's what I do. That's what I live by. The simpler my messaging, the more people buy. So as a soft life girly, I have different streams of income. And because I teach that here on my channel, my video, even this one, is I have a direct message around my video. And the goal is to what? Drive traffic to my shop. Okay, so you can check out things that I have in my shop. So yeah, again, it's about strategy, right? It's about you, and I don't want to say having the right strategy, but having a strategy and following the strategy to a T. So here's what keeps like my digital products selling. Lifestyle content that works very well for me. Like I show the soft life I'm building. I have vlogs that I show that. Also value content. So I share tips like I'm doing in this video that you can use, and you can use it today. Okay. Also, what's very, very important is that story-based content. So I also share what I've learned and how I learned it. All right. And of course, you got your product-led content. So I may teach something small that leads back to one particular product that goes deeper. Okay. Content, it doesn't have to be loud. It can be simple. But you have to be consistent. All right. If you want to make consistent sales, you yourself have to be consistent in putting out the content. Okay. And I just went over the different type of content I do. You figure out the type of content that's going to work for you, your people, and find your rhythm, girl. So once you find your rhythm and you're consistent at that rhythm, and when I say rhythm, what I mean is right now I have a rhythm of uploading a video that's no more than 10 minutes long every day, giving value. That's my rhythm. All right. And I get paid daily. So because I get paid daily, I show up daily with value. So you remember what the Bible say, you reap what you sow. Okay. So you can't expect money if you don't sow value. Okay, so yeah, so I just want to make sure that I point that out. So if you want to get daily income, here's where you can start today. Not next week, but today. Okay. First step, I want you to pick one problem that your ideal person has, woman, man, whoever you're serving. Okay. Make one product for that one problem. Just one. Okay. And then step two, I want you to price it simple. $7, $17, $27, whatever feel aligns for you. Okay. And then step three, I want you to create one clear content. It could be a short video, long video, a blog, however. Okay. Teach something small and helpful. And step four, I want you to put your link everywhere, girl. Put it everywhere, wherever you are. Visibility is what creates sales. Okay. When you have traffic, visibility, that's what creates the sale, not out of thin air. And then I want you to email your list if you have one. Even if your list is tiny, okay? Tiny lists make sales too. Okay. I think I got about maybe 100 people on my list. So yeah. Okay. Step six, repeat. Daily income is built through small, soft actions, not heavy effort. If you're in your 40s like me, I'm 43. I want you to know this. You are right where you need to be, okay? You don't need a big audience. No, you do not. I don't even have a big audience. Okay. You don't even need a whole lot of tech skills. Okay. But you need consistency. Just do the work. You need one good product. Start with one and then expand. One simple system, a capture page, a sales page, a checkout page. Get your money, honey. Okay. And one clear message and quiet consistency. I'm going to keep saying that. Daily income can be very simple. Daily income can be very soft. Daily income can fit your life. You know, I got some action steps for you, right? I do. So here's what you can do today, okay? Start with one product. Create it with clarity. Create the product. Or buy the product, license the product, okay? Post something simple. Share your link. Build your email list. Talk about your product daily in a soft way. Okay. Small action builds that big income. Quiet action builds soft businesses. Okay. And you know that daily action, that's going to build that daily money for you. Okay. I didn't get to this place of making daily money overnight. It took work. It took consistency. And that's what I want for you. Okay. So if you want deeper help with this, weekly notes behind the scenes of my own soft life businesses, and you want the steps that I'm taking to create consistent income, subscribe to my newsletter called the Soft Life CEO Notes right on Substack. Okay. It's where I share real stuff. I share what's working, what's not, how to create income that feels so peaceful and so aligned. Okay, I put the link in the description, or it's also in my YouTube. I would call it YouTube bio as well. Okay, so I hope to see you on the other side. Again, my shop is also in the description as well, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. All right, girl. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know, and hype your girl up. Okay, I'll see you in the next video, girl. Bye.